Let's explore one of my favorite parks in Loganville, Georgia called Bay Creek Park. This 154-acre park has a skate park right at the entrance. It's a free little library at the first playground we come across. And as we continue to drive down the main road, you'll see that there's a newly renovated and re-turfed football field. And further up the main road is our favorite spot. There are 2 playgrounds and trails directly across from the playground parking lot. The trails are paved, clean, and a 1.7-mile track that's great for walking. And there's about 3 to 4 different restroom buildings throughout this park. The trails and playground are always nicely shaded and a great place for a stroll with your family. These trails are not only great for all ages, it's also great to see squirrels and go bird watching.
I like the trees that have the vines on them because they're so beautiful. And I also like the trees that have flowers on them.
To find how old a tree is, you look for the fallen down ones and you check how many rings there are. Because each ring equals 1 year. So if you see, like, for example, 200 rings, that means the tree is 200 years old.
And after picking our favorite tree and of course a little goofing off, we are ready to go and hit the playgrounds. We're going to show you both of them. They're just right across the street and they're great for all ages.
Coming to a fork in the road. I really love these markers. This is half mile. And then if you just turn over here, there's the paved road, which we saw out in the beginning. And then one thing I love about this trail is you can see there's plenty of trash cans throughout.
Bay Creek Park has a total of 3 different parks, and this is the second and third park, which has ramps, monkey bars, slides, and a music station. You can definitely play for a few hours here while making new friends. And even if it's a hot day, this playground is shaded. There are plenty of tables. Some have a chest board imprinted on it. And there's even a water bottle fill-up station and a fountain for your dogs and pets. But either way, with so many different layers and levels of playtime, you will surely never be bored here. So make sure you pack your sunscreen, a great comfy pair of shoes, snacks, and a water bottle, and you will have a grand old time here at the Bay Creek Park, located at Loganville, Georgia. Now that we're getting ready to leave this playground, there is one just adjacent to this. I'm going to show you in a sec. These are the bathrooms located in this building, and it's surrounded by plenty of seating. Some have chessboards ingrained in them, which is pretty neat to play on a Sunday afternoon, as well as being surrounded by these amazing baseball fields. And there are several other athletic fields surrounding these 2-in-1 parks. And they have bleachers, trash cans, scoreboards, and now we're off to the next playground. As you can see, this is just a few steps away from the last playground and offers a wide variety of different playtime, more of a ninja obstacle course. This ninja obstacle course is accompanied by a scoreboard that's at the entrance of the park that gives you the route that is recommended and the time frame which is also recommended. Every time we come here, we always meet great friends. They love to compete, have fun, and this is why Bay Creek Park, located in Loganville, Georgia, is one of my favorite parks.